What works for one person can work for another. Since I have already personally made sales, I can say that the Partner with Anthony program works for me. Will it teach you to achieve success as well? Only you can answer that question. A lot of other people have had similar experiences by implementing the training that Anthony Morrison gives. Let's look at that again in slow motion. 63 sales in 16 days. Here we see 1, 7, 2, 1 and 7 sales. Here's a couple that didn't get any sales yet, but they are building their list. Here are a few more sales. 7, 5, 5, 1 sale. Here we have 8, 5 and 1 sales. There are another 10 slides of comments showing more of the same. They basically show that common everyday people are learning how to build an online business from scratch. Bottom line is that if you are willing to do the work and apply what Anthony teaches, you also can experience similar results to those shown. Check out some of these real-life testimonials.
Hey there, Henry Victor Ecom. As you know, we teach people how to build wealth and to preserve it. There's a strategy that I want to share with you today. As you know, previous video I've talked about the power of affiliate marketing and why that is such a great structure for the common everyday person to take advantage of, because you can leverage the network to not only create additional income, but to create what we call a generational income. Something that can last for a long time, and it's not completely dependent on your own effort. It's a strategy that's successfully used by many, and especially for someone that doesn't have their own product. You can leverage, a great product and get paid to promote it. And when you build this network as an affiliate, you can generate a greater cash flow. So that's why it's an excellent wealth building strategy. And specifically, I want to talk about the Partner with Anthony program. So I'm up to session 9. I've taken training with mentors in the past, and it's a really great way to learn how to get into this industry so you can achieve some success without going through this big learning curve. And there's something, I'm going to say 2 things that are particularly really good with the Partner with Anthony program, in my opinion. And it is that it's a very low cost to get involved. $7 a month. That's incredible for a business that can generate thousands. But the other thing that I find very powerful in this program is that Anthony doesn't just give you concepts and ideas. Like sometimes, okay, do this, and this is how, to put a web page together, or this is how, to do something else. They give you a concept. Anthony actually takes the time to teach you why and how to do it, and he shows you how to do it. In fact, it's a true partnership.
Hello everyone, Finley Beach here, retired military veteran, full-time RV camper, and also for my spare time, since I'm retired, I wanted to find something that would be very lucrative and to allow me to travel with my family. By the way, I'm a full-time RV camper. I travel 100% of the time. But the reason I'm here tonight is to let everyone know that Anthony, the Partner with Anthony program, is one of the most complete, thorough programs I've ever experienced. I've been a marketer and a salesperson most of my adult life, and also an internet marketer, but I've never experienced the type of training, the learning. I've never experienced a teacher with the patience and the knowledge and the credibility that comes with the Partner with Anthony program. Anthony, keep doing what you're doing. From Finley Beach here, Ringo, Georgia, enjoy the rest of your day. Success to you.
Hello everyone, it's me Ashish Suneja. I'm an HR professional turned academician, turned entrepreneur and peak performance coach. I help people to double their results and income. Today I want to talk about a program called Partner with Anthony. 2 years ago, in September 2017, I was sitting in my office and was thinking, it was the same office, you could see through, the same office. I was in the same office and I was thinking, like, what's the best way I could make some extra money? Because this internet is the biggest opportunity of this century. Social media is the biggest opportunity of this century. I was looking at internet and finding certain people who are making certain sales, and I could see that being into academics, I could make $1,000 or something like this, whereas people who are into online space, they could create a product, sell it for as many dollars as they want and to as many people as they want. So I was thinking, what is the method I could also do something like this? What is the best way I can also make money? So I came across certain programs. I went across certain programs. I started up my learning, geared up, and then had some failure, had some success also. Now it's now almost a month that I'm going through this Partner with Anthony program. I'm still going through this session 16. So this is one such program that can help you to solve all your issues. That how can you get online? How can you actually make money from this biggest opportunity of this century called internet? So what is the best way that can guide you? What is the education that you can have? You go to college, you go to universities, learn something. You spend your almost 18 years of your life or 21 years of life, and then you come back and then make money. But how about if there is a program that can help you to give you education about how you can actually build up your digital business, and that too only $7 a month. $7 a month as of now, it's for the limited time as per the Partner with Anthony, and maybe he's going to increase the prices soon. But the kind of learning every day in bits and bytes you are getting just for 10 minutes or 20 minutes you are spending in a day, and generating a phenomenal learning and giving results. I am also having certain results which I can share, and I'll be sharing. So these results are basically because of the Partner with Anthony program, and then going through this, I have able to actually understand that how basically instead of websites, what are the best ways so that people can come in? What are the best ways so that you can introduce something, even if you don't know your content, even if you don't know your niche, you are just a newbie, you don't understand any internet language, just go through the program. My recommendation is just go through the program, simply go through the program. It's phenomenal, mind-blowing. $7 a program. A medium-sized pizza even cost around similar price. So at the medium-sized pizza, $7 a month, that's dirt cheap for your learning. Dirt cheap amount. I recommend each one of you to go through the program, take it very seriously. If you take it seriously, I can say that you will be making money out of it. And not only money out of it, you will be understanding the whole nitty-gritty, the whole crux, the whole system that is actually set, that is actually created to launch your digital business or digital empire online. Thank you.
Imagine looking into the future 20 years and being able to see your bank account. How many zeros do you see? Let's add some perspective. Throughout the years you learned a few new skills. And you discovered a great opportunity that you actually acted on. You avoided a lot of pitfalls of having an online business because you had an experienced partner. You created multiple streams of income doing what you love. What a wonderful life you built for yourself. Now imagine your life, if you keep doing what you're currently doing. I want to invite you to join me on a mission to achieve the first life for you. First, I just need a little information. Enter your details here to learn more about how to achieve that life.